today what I did was came out to Pacific Raceway and I took a ride in a Porsche GT3 RS, and I rode with a driver. I don't know if you guys know her, but her name was Hollie. She's the creator, I guess the founder of Grid Life, and she was really getting on the car. I was actually getting nauseous and queasy like a little bitch and all that shit. She was really getting on the car, but it was an awesome experience. Why?
Anymore. I got that out of the way. Have you been on track ever before?
Here?
Yeah, anywhere, yeah. I guess. Just anywhere. Okay. This track we're running, calling it the cut through. I don't know if you've ever run the cut through because I think they just paved it
the back
this
portion.
Year? Yeah, we don't go down that little like roller coaster kind of S-turn thingy downhill. We actually just go straight through there.
This thing is freaking smooth.
The handling on this car is unreal. Isn't it good?
That shit was awesome.
I always tell people I could write poetry about this car. Like, I just love this car.
I've always been a fan of Porsches. That's why I chose to ride the Porsche.
But everything about it,
this thing is awesome.
The engine, the linear, it's so linear. The speed is just hitting. The transmission is freaking phenomenal, and then your comfort in the car. Like, I'm 5'1". I'm so little. We can fit. I'm in here totally comfortable. We can get 6'5" guys in here comfortable. It's just such a good freaking car.
I've never been in a newer Porsche like this style.
Yeah, it's just so good. And driving it, the handling, I don't know. Poetry. So good. So hopefully I drove just as good as Brandon.
Well, he didn't pass us, so that's...
I would have gave him a pass if we wouldn't have gotten the pass. Then he wasn't behind us anymore.
So you always choose a Porsche?
I prefer to be in the Porsche, but I'm in whatever. You know what I mean? I'm in whatever. I haven't been in this car all weekend, and I wanted to warm it up because I wanted to drive it. Because I haven't even instructed in it this whole weekend. So I'm I'm getting in one of the Porsches this morning. But yeah, I prefer to be in this car all the time. Because I like instructing in it too, because again, it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
I can get my seat way up. I can see better. The Huracan's a little bit more uncomfortable for me because it sits really low and the windshield's this big. This is just a really nice car to drive and instruct.
Have a back window.
Yeah, you've got a good view in the back. That's also really hard to see cars behind you in the Huracan. So, all right, I think we're switching.
Get 10K subscribers today?
Fuck no.
Hey, dude, I don't think holding your camera would have been possible in the car.
Nah, it wouldn't have.
I literally had to hold the handle, otherwise my body was like this.
The seats in the fucking... Dude, I'm fucking surprised. I'm amazed with that shit. Even the seats in the Porsche, they were comfortable though. I wasn't all over the place. Mostly I moved when we brake and we go forward.
Yeah, it's hard to stay still when you're going around the corner.